Today is our iForm Industry Day, an opportunity for our partners to really see what's happening in the centre.
The iForm Centre, funded through Science Foundation Ireland, is focused on advanced manufacturing. We look at a range of parameters in how the component is made, particularly around the use of digital technologies. We look at the material processing, we take data during that processing, and from that we try and predict how to make the process a lot more efficient.
We're operating in a global market nowadays, so in this context it's really important to be able to have efficient processing while ensuring that the quality of the parts that are produced are at the highest possible level.
We carry out deep material characterization. We try to model the material. We take sensor data, we capture that data, we analyze the data, and we feed it back.
Producing data in order to modify materials and customize them to different manufacturing methodologies. This is something extremely powerful and really, really unique.
There have been really game-changing technologies in the area of natural language processing, video and image analysis, time series analysis, and bringing those techniques to bear in iForm on manufacturing challenges is really important, and I think a big game changer.
Companies benefit from working with iForm in the context of new product development or new service development. We also provide the highly skilled engineers that companies need in order to grow.
My research is based on 3D printing of composite materials, so that's materials like carbon fiber and fiberglass. And we're using this technology to 3D print smart prosthetics for people with amputations so that they fit better and they won't fail as often.
This is a ready-made, collaborative approach which iForm has, where you've got ready-made access to a whole bunch of academics and scholars that can really bring it all together.
This is a multidisciplinary team including materials scientists, engineers and data analytic expertise.
Collaboration with iForm has allowed me to access, for example, 3D printing of high-performance plastic chemical reactors for use in pharmaceuticals.
This is a huge change to the pharmaceutical industry as we can produce one-off designs very cheaply. It's going to revolutionise the whole idea of small-scale chemical synthesis.
That combination of how you make things efficiently and how you use digital technology, iForm is at the interface between those two. That positions us uniquely internationally.
I think we're witnessing a revolution in terms of manufacturing.
Anywhere you're transforming a material and you need to analyse that process, understand it better, collect data so that you can make it more efficient, we've got the expertise to work on them in the centre.